guys, welcome to the first video of 2024 and I am here to share my 2023 beauty favorites. Now all of these products are something that I tried for the very first time last year and they have worked for me so well that I thought of just making a list and sharing it with you guys. What all products that you can definitely just close your eyes and blindly go for. So yeah, that is about it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we have a mix of hair care and skincare because I was obsessed with all of these. So we'll start with hair care first, and this has to be one of my favorite products, and that is this Dove Intense Damage Repair Hair Mask. You have to give it a try if your hair becomes super dry and frizzy. This just retains all the moisture, all the hydration that your hair needs, and they just smell so beautiful and your hair are going to be extremely soft, and I mean you'll just love your hair. The very first time when I tried it, I was like, what is this product? Why didn't I try this before? It is definitely a 10 on 10 product. Next product is again from Dove, and that is the exfoliating body polish in pomegranate seed and shea butter. This is going to make your body baby soft and it smells so divine. This is my second tub. Like, I got it recently and I fell in love. I mean, the fragrance, you guys, is so amazing. The scrub itself is really good, but if you love fragrances, then you can definitely go for this. Next, I have the sunscreen which I have raved about the entire year, and that is the Dot & Key Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. I don't know which tube, like what number of tube this is. I've used this product that much and it is one of the best sunscreens. I mean, it has a watery base and it just gets absorbed in your skin really quickly, leaving no white cast. Your skin doesn't feel like you have something on your skin, no greasiness, nothing. Beautiful, wonderful sunscreen. After that, I have the shampoo duo which I didn't think I would love so much, and even my mom, and that is the L'Oreal Hyaluron Moisture Sealing range. Both these products, like the shampoo and the conditioner, have worked so well for my hair and for my mom's hair as well. This is the second purchase that I got. This is the first one. It is all empty, it is all finished, but yeah, it had to be repurchased. A wonderful product. It just makes your hair soft and tamed. If you have frizzy hair, then definitely beautiful product. After that, I have the Bath & Body Works body cream. Now I have given body creams multiple tries. Like, I have many of these. Okay, so here I have At the Beach, and then this is Bright Christmas Morning. This has like a very coconutty, beachy fragrance to it, and this one has a very sweet fragrance. So overall, when it comes to moisturizing my body and hydrating it, both in general, any body cream from Bath & Body Works has worked wonderfully for me. I have two hair serums. Now these are meant for your hair growth and hair thinning. So here I have the Bontress Pro Scalp Serum, and then here I have the Haircare Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. Now both have helped me. Like, I can see a minor difference. I am not at the stage where I can just show you a vast difference, but both these products have worked wonderfully, and the best part is I apply it before sleeping and it doesn't leave my scalp feeling oily or anything. Like, I just feel the Haircare Hair Growth Serum, I use it on the days where the next day I have to wash my hair, but this Bontress Pro hair serum just works wonderfully. I use it whether I want to wash my hair or not, and this is almost finished. Like, I got a second bottle already. So yeah, these two have been working really great. So if you face any hair fall or hair thinning issues, then you can definitely go for any of these. Just give it a try and see how it works for you. After that, I have the Nigrifix cream with retinol, lactic acid and urea. This is for your knees and your elbows, and it just helps with the hyperpigmentation that you have, and you can use it on your neck as well, but I don't really have any hyperpigmentation. For my elbows and my knees, I have seen a visible difference after using this cream. So this one is, I'm definitely going to purchase it again. I'm almost finished with this tube. So yeah, you can definitely go if you have hyperpigmentation on your elbows, knees, or on your neck. Totally worth the money. After that, I have the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Eye Cream. I've been using it for almost a month or two now, and again, totally worth it. Jitna to maine night outs mare hain in the last month and till now, this is the only product that is keeping me looking alive and just balancing off my dark circles. Otherwise, ab tak to maine panda ban jana tha with my routine that has been going on, which has been very hectic. But yeah, this cream, it just moisturizes your under eyes, helps you depuff your eyes and with your dark circles as well. So if you want a good under eye cream, you can definitely try this one. I have one more sunscreen, and that is this Foxtail Dewy sunscreen. This is SPF 70. I used it in Vietnam and totally worth it. Although I still got tanned, but that was not the point of using the sunscreen. It is a really good sunscreen. I use it for my body, and again, a non-creasy, lightweight formula, doesn't leave a white cast, and even when you go into the water, it is not going to make your skin all like that white thing that you get. It is not going to happen with this sunscreen. So yeah, again, a very good investment if you're looking out for a good sunscreen which has a higher SPF. Last but not the least, I have the L'Oreal Magic Retouch Hairspray. This is a miracle product if you have any like bald spots or just like you want to have like that fuller hairline. I have attended so many weddings till now, and this has been my go-to product for everything. Just like how you have ki thoda sa area bharna hai, and just like for a fuller hairline, this just gives you that natural looking look, and it just looks amazing. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then you guys know the drill. Hit the like button and tell me in the comments which of these products have you tried and which of these products are you excited to try for the very first time. And all the product links are mentioned in the description box below, so do check them out. In case you like any of these, then you can order that. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video super soon.